Welcome! A common question that we often get is, how do we determine the tape size for our customers? For some cases, it's relatively easy. For other cases, it requires a little bit more investigation. Take this for example. This person's right eyelid has a crescent-style, well-defined crease. When you look at his left eyelid, what appears to be a single eyelid is really a double eyelid that's made from a micro crease that's located too close to the upper eyelashes. When that happens, the upper eyelid skin overhangs over the eyelid margin, creating a hooded look, which is in resemblance to what a single eyelid looks like. So when we choose the tape size, we pay attention to how much excess skin is available near the eyes. We also take a look at where the double eyelid would be in relation to how close it is to the eyebrows. Another thing we look at is what kind of a double eyelid is present on the individual's good eye. For this person, it's his right eyelid. What appears to be one double eyelid crease, it's really made from two separate creases. If you look very closely, you can see how the crease breaks near the medial canthus. When we see that, a double eyelid that's not one single crease but it's made from either two separate creases or even three sometimes, what that means is that there's actually a lot of excess skin. So if a double eyelid that looks like that, but it's actually one crease, we would probably choose size 3 for the individual. But in this case, because the double eyelid is made from two separate creases, we know that a larger tape size is necessary. So we decided to choose size 2, 3, 4 for this individual. If you have troubles choosing your eyelid tape size, or if you just want a confirmation on the tape size that you selected for yourself, feel free to email us your eyelid profile video. We'll take a look at your video. Please make sure that the video is well lit, that we can see the details of the eyelid skin, and we will write back to you and explain to you the type of crease that you have and the tape size that is necessary for you in order for your ideal crease to be stimulated and for you to have the crease that you're meant to have. Until then, I'll see you next time.